Spring has sprung and your pond is coming to life. Aquascape offers many products that make the process of getting your pond ready for the season easy and hassle-free. Most pond owners perform a spring cleanout to get their pond off to a healthy start. Whether doing a full cleanout with a water change or just a partial water change during your cleanout, you will want to detoxify your new water for your finned friends' safety. Pond Detoxifier removes chlorine, chloramines, and other toxins from tap water. It also helps to neutralize heavy metals, making your pond a safer environment for fish and other aquatic life. Simply add the recommended amount to your pond when you fill it up, and you'll have clean, healthy water for your pond inhabitants. Pond starter bacteria is another spring essential. This treatment is key to starting off your ecosystem right. Aquascape Pond Starter Bacteria helps to quickly establish the biological ecosystem for new ponds and spring startups, helping to support the nitrogen cycle and provide clean and healthy water conditions. Next up is Cold Water Beneficial Bacteria. This product is specially formulated to work in colder water temperatures of 50 degrees Fahrenheit and below, helping to break down organic waste and improve water quality. Use this until your water temperature rises above 50 degrees, then switch to beneficial bacteria or maintain for ponds. You can keep track of your water temperatures throughout all the seasons with a smart pond thermometer. Using this device allows you to pair the thermometer with your smartphone or tablet and always know your pond's temperature. You will even receive alerts when your water temperatures rise or fall enough to warrant a change in fish food or water treatments. Each season brings different notifications that will help you stay on top of your pond and fish health. If you really want to make your life easier, add a Dosing System SL or a Smart Pond Dosing System XT to your water feature and enjoy the benefits of adding water treatment with none of the hassle. These dosing systems automatically add the necessary treatments to your feature on a consistent basis throughout the seasons. The Smart Pond Dosing System XT will even alert you on your smartphone when your water treatment is almost empty, so you never miss a dose. Another essential in keeping your pond clean is the Pond Shark Net. Leaves, twigs, and other debris can fall into your pond during the spring months, and if left unchecked, can lead to a buildup of organic waste that can harm your pond's ecosystem. The Aquascape Pond Shark Net includes a sturdy net to handle fish and collect pond debris, and an innovative raking and scraping blade to tear through unwanted pond debris or string algae. Finally, spring is a time when your fish become more active and require food after their long winter's nap. When your water temperature rises above 50 degrees Fahrenheit, start feeding your fish Aquascape Cold Water Fish Food. The cold water fish food contains wheat germ, making it easier to digest while water temperatures are still low. All Aquascape fish foods contain probiotics that aid in digestion and reduce fish waste, while including high-quality protein, which helps to optimize growth rates. Once your water temperature rises above 60 degrees Fahrenheit, switch to premium staple or color-enhancing fish food. Your pond fish will thank you. At Aquascape, your paradise is our passion. We connect people to water the way nature intended and have been creating and field testing water features since 1991 to provide you with the most reliable products at the best value.